Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this session of Foundation Batch Physics. So, guys, as I informed you last week, me and Vishal sir told you from this week onwards, what is going to be the pattern? 3 days we are going to learn physics, and the next 3 days we are going for maths. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are going to be your physics days, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday are going to be your maths days. So as I can see, only a few people have joined the session. My friend, tell everybody, tell each of your friend that the session has started and they need to join this session as soon as possible. So guys, the motto behind this foundation batch is that you all have potential. आप सभी में हुनर है, आप सभी के अंदर टैलेंट है, बस उस टैलेंट को बाहर लाने की कोशिश हम लोग कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो विद दैट इनिशिएटिव इन माइंड, लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी हैव कवर्ड टिल नाउ, वी हैव कवर्ड द चार्ज कॉन्सेप्ट, द कूलम्ब्स लॉ, द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू डिस्क्रीट एंड कॉन्टिन्यूअस चार्ज. So today I am going to talk about electric dipole and how the electric field lines look like. Okay, so my friend, with that in mind, let me first introduce you myself. I am Ankit Goyal. I am working as a director at an academy for GATE department. I got AIR1 in GATE 2014 and 2018, and I was awarded the President of India Gold Medal by the President himself when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till now, I have taught more than 1 lakh students in online and offline mode, and since I was AIR1 in electrical, I believe I am the best person to guide you regarding electrical and electronics engineering and how to crack the exam as well as consolidate your basics. So my friend, whatever we are doing on this channel, we are creating history. We are creating history, and you, my friend, are the first chapter of that history. But at the same time, we have created a revolution on an academy for the students who are not economically strong. An academy motto is that to level the playing field, to allow each and everyone to learn from the best of the best educators, and that too at the lowest price. And if you want to be a part of that revolution, if you want to join us in the history that we are creating, you have to come to an academy using the code Ankit ESE. मेरे भाई, अन अकेडमी जो काम कर रहा है ना कोई कर सकता है, ना कभी किसी ने करने का सोचा है. बट अगर आप इस चीज का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हो तो आपको अन अकेडमी आना है, और अन अकेडमी नामक ताले की चाबी ये कोड है अंकित ESE. अंकित ESE का क्या मतलब है? दैट अंकित गोयल, दैट इज मी. ओ मी, या I will be your partner in your GATE and ESE journey. Okay, I will be your partner in GATE and ESE journey, and I'll make sure that I give my more than 100% to get you to the best rank. Now, one obvious question, sir, why to come to an academy? Because beta, you have separate English and Hindi batches. You have live classes daily. You have doubt clearing session every week. I am dedicating 6 hours to doubt solving. 6 hours. Other than the doubt solving in the classes, I am dedicating 6 hours. We have weekly test every Sunday on whatever course has been covered. We have a rank improvement batch for the students who are already doing well in GATE. We will have a crash course coming up once the syllabus is completed. We have previous year question, test series, practice question, everything under the blanket of one subscription, which is unlocked by the code Ankit ESE. So keep this in mind. Okay, now my friends, let me start this session. So दोस्तों, पहले मुझे ये बता दो कि आपको जो होमवर्क दिया गया था, क्या वो हुआ या नहीं? I gave you a homework. Is it completed or not? Tell me quickly, everybody. I need responses from everybody. Is the homework done? A simple problem I gave you to find the magnitude of electric field, because if that is done, then only I'll move forward. And quickly everybody tell me, how was the weekend? वीकेंड कैसा गया मेरे भाई? संडे कैसा गया? जल्दी सभी लोग रिस्पॉन्ड करो. ये बैच बहुत सुस्ती में चलता है, रात को है, इसका मतलब नहीं है जोश कम होने वाला है. जोश शुड बी वेरी 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 हाई. ठीक है, मजा आने वाला है, ग्राफिकल चीजें पढ़ने वाले हैं, आज फिगर्स देखने वाले हैं, बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे. जल्दी बता दो, होमवर्क हुआ या नहीं हुआ? चलो मैं सोल्यूशन बताता हूं. टू सेमी सर्कुलर रिंग्स lying in the same plane of uniform linear charge density lambda have radii r and 2r. They are joined using two straight uniformly charged wire. Find the magnitude of electric field at the common center. So guys, when we talk about the electric field due to a line charge, when we talk about the electric field due to a line charge, we see the perpendicular distance from the line charge. ठीक है, लाइन चार्ज से मेरे भाई आपको परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस देखना होता है. दिस इज आर, so the electric field is okay, this is the electric field. Now my friends, if you join this, if you see in this line charge AB and CD, AB and CD do not have any perpendicular distance. Or do one thing, one more easy way I'll tell you, a easier way rather than this going by perpendicular distance. See, both are charged up to lambda, so what I'll say, at origin EAB and ECD are equal and opposite, correct? Are equal and opposite. That means net electric field due to straight wire is 0. Due to straight wire is 0. But what about the semicircle? My friend? So for semicircle, what you will do, my friend? You will take a small charge. Okay. Take this angle as d theta. So this small charge will be lambda r d theta. Okay, because arc length is r into angle, radius into angle is the arc length. So if you multiply the lambda by the length, you will get the charge dq. So dq is lambda r d theta. Now the electric field due to this dq, my friend, is this one. This is the electric field. But my friend, if you take a similar charge here, okay, same charge, the electric field will be somewhat like this. Okay, which means their vertical component will get cancelled. Only the horizontal component will remain. And this angle is theta. If this angle is theta, this is also theta. 1 minute. Yeah, this angle is also theta. So what I'll say, due to two identical charges, vertical electric field gets cancelled out. ठीक है ना, वर्टिकल वाला कंपोनेंट कैंसिल हो गया, एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विच इज E sin theta. If you see, E cos theta is vertical, E sin theta survives. So what is the horizontal electric field? dq by 4 pi epsilon r square sin theta this is d. Okay, so if you want to find out the net, horizontal field, you will integrate it, my friend. You will integrate it, okay, from 0 up to 90 degree. Integration of sin theta is minus cos theta. Integration of sin theta is minus cos theta. Okay, similarly, due to semicircle of radius 2r, 2r वाले की वजह से कितना होगा, r की जगह 2r पुट कर दो मेरे भाई, r की जगह 2r पुट कर दो, you will get this. Now due to smaller semicircle, electric field is like this, and due to bigger one it will be like this, away from the positive charge. So net electric field is lambda by 8 pi epsilon r. That is the difference of the two. दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन लोगे मेरे भाई तो लैम्डा बाय 8 पाई एप्सिलन आर आ जाएगा, दोनों का डिफरेंस आ जाएगा लैम्डा बाय 8 पाई एप्सिलन आर. तो कौन सा आ रहा है, बी. आंसर विल बी बी. इज दैट क्लियर? And guys, why today the strength is so low? Don't you want this foundation batch to continue? Don't you want this brand new initiative to survive? Okay, now let's come to the next topic. The topic for today, electric lines of force. What is electric lines of force? What is this? These are the lines that indicate direction of force on a test charge kept at that point. ठीक है, एक पॉइंट पे मेरे भाई अगर एक चार्ज रख दोगे तो उस पे किस दिशा में फोर्स लगेगा, दैट लाइन, दैट डायरेक्शन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय इलेक्ट्रिकल लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स. नाउ सपोज दिस लाइन दैट यू सी my friend here, this line represents the electric field. So when you want to find the direction of electric field at a point, you draw a tangent. When you want to find the direction of electric field at a particular point, you draw a tangent at that point. So if you join these points, then what you get is the electric field lines or electric lines of force. Okay, so what I'll say is the tangent to field line, the tangent to field line represents direction of electric field at that point. Okay, at that particular point. The tangent gives you the direction of electric field at that particular point, my friend. At that particular point. Now see this second figure. See this second figure. If you see in this region, if you see my friend in this region, the electric field lines are crowded. They are very very crowded. But here they are spread. यहाँ पे आके वो खुल गई हैं. यहाँ पे आके वो दूर दूर हो गई हैं. अगर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस दूर जाती हैं, if the electric field lines diverge or spread out, then you say the electric field intensity reduces. Then you say that electric field intensity reduces. So what we will say? The magnitude of electric field, the magnitude of electric field is greater on surface A than on surface B. Is greater on surface A, my friend, than on surface B. ये बात समझ आ रही है? तो the closeness of the electric field lines indicates the magnitude of electric field intensity. The closeness of electric field lines, closeness is directly proportional to intensity. ठीक है? इंटेंस का मतलब क्या होता है? एकदम घना, एकदम घना. ठीक है? तो घने का मतलब क्या है? दैट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर. सो दिस क्लोजनेस और द सेपरेशन रिप्रेजेंट्स द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. इज दैट क्लियर? तो दो तीन चीजें याद रहनी चाहिए. 2-3 थिंग्स यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. द टेंजेंट टू द फील्ड लाइंस gives the direction of electric field. The closeness of the field lines gives the intensity of the electric field. Thirdly, my friend. Okay, thirdly. Or let me add a page. So, first thing is tangent is parallel to electric field vector. Second thing, closeness proportional to intensity. Thirdly, no two field lines can intersect. No two field lines can intersect. Why can't they intersect, my friend? Why can't they intersect? क्योंकि देखो, कभी भी दो फील्ड लाइंस अगर टकराई, कभी भी दो फील्ड लाइंस अगर आपस में टकराई, then what happens? At this point you will have two tangents. Okay, two tangents, which means two direction of electric field at one point. Correct? At one point. Is that clear? और ये तो practically feasible ही नहीं होगा मेरे दोस्त. How can one point have two different direction of magnetic field? At a point only there can be a one direction of a magnetic field. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now, the next thing is each field line. Okay, each field line originates and terminates at a charge. ठीक है? माने इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हमेशा चार्ज से शुरू होके चार्ज पे ही खत्म होती है. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन ऑलवेज स्टार्ट्स एट अ चार्ज and always ends at a charge. Is that clear? Is that clear? Or it may originate और terminate at infinity। अब मेरे भाई बंधु इसको रूट लोकस से रिलेट कर पा रहे होंगे, क्योंकि रूट लोकस का भी यही नियम है ना, यही तो रूल होता है। Why I am saying infinity? Suppose there is only one charge, there is only one positive charge, electric field lines will originate, but they will never terminate. They will just go on and on forever. They will never ever terminate. Okay? वो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होंगी, वो चलती चली जाएंगी अगर एक सिंगल चार्ज है। Is that clear? Is that clear? अब ये देखते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन दिखती कैसी है। सबसे पहले फील्ड ड्यू टू अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज, सबसे पहले ड्यू टू अ पॉजिटिव पॉइंट चार्ज, ठीक बात। ओके, नाउ द फील्ड ड्यू टू अ पॉजिटिव पॉइंट चार्ज इज ऑलवेज रेडियली आउटवर्ड, यानी रेडियस की डायरेक्शन में जाएगी। आप कोई भी सर्कल ड्रॉ करो, चलो मैं दिखाता हूं आपको, लेट मी शो यू अ सर्कल। Okay, see this guys, see this, देखो ध्यान से, ये एक इमेजिनरी सर्कल बना लिया, ठीक है, सर्कल कह लो या फिर इसको ये कह दो कि एक स्फीयर बना लिया। अगर ये स्फीयर बना लिया तो सारी फील्ड लाइंस रेडियली आउटवर्ड है। ऑल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस आर गोइंग इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ रेडियस। डायरेक्शन ऑफ रेडियस का क्या मतलब होता है? अगर एक लाइन सेंटर से सर्कल तक बनाई जाए, दैट विल बी द रेडियल डायरेक्शन। द लाइन ज्वाइनिंग circle and a point, sorry, line joining center and a point on circle is radial direction। समझ आया? सर्कल के सेंटर से अगर उसके पॉइंट को किसी को भी जोड़ दो, वो रेडियल है। लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस, like this। Okay, so always remember field lines are radially outwards। Is that clear? Is that clear to everybody? जल्दी से चैट में बताओ, ये बात समझ आई? पॉइंट पॉजिटिव चार्ज की इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड समझ में आ रही है? कैसी होती है? ये चीजें आपको लॉजिकली समझनी पड़ेंगी और आगे के लिए याद रखनी पड़ेंगी। बहुत ज्यादा बेसिक और बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है। समझ आया सभी को? जल्दी से बता दो। चल, बढ़िया बढ़िया। अब नेक्स्ट पे चलते हैं। लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट केस वेयर देयर आर टू पॉजिटिव चार्जेस केप्ट एट अ सर्टेन डिफरेंस or kept at a certain distance, kept at a certain distance। Now assume that equal and opposite charges separated by a distance। Okay, then the electric field at midpoint will be 0। इस तरह के काफी क्वेश्चन हम देख चुके हैं मेरे भाई, क्योंकि सेंटर पे दोनों इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अपोजिट आएंगी। बोथ विल कैंसिल ईच अदर। If both cancel each other, the electric field at the center point will be 0. At the center point will be 0. Now both electric field will be coming outwards. Both electric field. But both are positively charged. So both will repel each other. बोथ विल अप्लाई अ फोर्स ऑन ईच अदर। जब दोनों एक दूसरे को रिपेल करेंगी तो पास नहीं आ पाएंगी। when both are repelling each other they won't come close, they will diverge. Are you getting my point? Think of it like two magnets. When you try to bring them close, they are like poles, then they don't come close. Same way में when two electric field lines both due to positive are coming close, they are repelling each other. They are repelling each other. So what I'll say is, electric field lines repel each other. न्यूट्रल पॉइंट का मतलब है, द मीनिंग ऑफ न्यूट्रल पॉइंट इज द पॉइंट वेयर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज जीरो. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चार्ज, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. अब देखो, पहले एक नेगेटिव चार्ज के बारे में बात करते हैं. पहले एक नेगेटिव चार्ज के बारे में बात करते हैं. लाइक द पॉजिटिव चार्ज, सपोज देखो कैसे मैंने ये बनाया, कैसे मैंने ये बनाया मेरे भाई, एक चीज समझना. टू ड्रॉ, एक बेसिक समझाता हूं. टू ड्रॉ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस, कीप अ टेस्ट पॉजिटिव चार्ज, keep a test positive charge near to the system, near to the system. The direction of force on the test charge represents direction of electric field. ठीक है, the direction of force on the test charge will represent the direction of electric field, the direction of electric field. Is that clear, my friend? So now when you keep a positive charge near a positive charge, it will be repelled. So the force is outward, because a positive will repel a positive test charge. Okay, if you keep a positive test charge here, it will be repelled. But when we talk about the negative charge will attract the positive charge. Negative charge will attract the positive charge. And that is why the electric field lines are inwards. They are inwards. So what I am saying is, इज दिस क्लियर? इज दिस क्लियर कि अंदर की तरफ क्यों बना रहे हैं? अब ध्यान देना, नेगेटिव चार्ज की फील्ड अंदर की तरफ आएगी, चार्ज की तरफ आएगी, पॉजिटिव चार्ज की बाहर जाएगी. द फील्ड ड्यू टू पॉजिटिव चार्ज गोज आउटवर्ड्स, फील्ड ड्यू टू नेगेटिव चार्ज कम्स इनवर्ड्स. So when you have a positive and a negative charge separated by a distance, positive charge dispatches the electric field lines and negative charge catches those lines. Positive charge field lines को फेंकेगा, negative charge उनको catch करेगा. So that is how this electric field lines will look like. So what I am saying is, positive charge sends the field lines and negative charge okay, Positive charge will send them away, negative will catch them towards it. And that is how, my friend, I was saying the electric field always originates at a charge and terminates at another charge. So if you see this line, it starts from positive and it ends at negative. So that is what I was saying. Electric field lines always start at a charge and they also terminate at another charge. Let's move to the next one. Suppose we have negative and a positive charge. Okay, negative and a positive charge of equal magnitude. Here, positive and negative charge have इक्वल मैग्नीट्यूड. तो देखो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस एकदम सिमेट्रिक बनेंगी, एकदम सिमेट्रिक. इफ यू लुक अबाउट इट, if you see, electric field lines are totally symmetric about this. Okay, they are totally symmetric about this. ये बात समझ आ रही है? इसको बराबर काट रही है दोनों तरफ. इसके दोनों तरफ देखोगे एकदम मिरर इमेज दिखेगा. तो ये जो प्रीवियस वाला केस था, यहां पे पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्ज अनइक्वल थे. And that is why, my friend, we were able to obtain a neutral point. Because देखो यहां पे मैं क्या कहूंगा, अगर ये न्यूट्रल पॉइंट है Q1 से ज्यादा डिस्टेंस पे, इसीलिए Q1 इज ग्रेटर देन Q2. देखो न्यूट्रल पॉइंट वो है, न्यूट्रल पॉइंट इज दैट वेयर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज जीरो. नाउ Q1 is at more distance, still it is cancelling the electric field of Q2. That means Q1 itself is higher. Q1 itself is higher. So Q1 is at higher distance, its magnitude is also higher, and that is why you are getting neutral point. But यहां मेरे भाई दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड बराबर है, दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड बराबर है. सपोज आप एक P पॉइंट पकड़ते हो, तो D नेगेटिव चार्ज से डिस्टेंस पॉजिटिव से बड़ा है, और चार्ज तो दोनों बराबर हैं, चार्ज तो दोनों बराबर हैं, बोथ चार्जेस आर इक्वल. That means electric field of negative charge will be less than electric field of positive charge. So no neutral point can exist. Getting my point? Neutral point can only exist if both charge have unequal magnitude. If both have unequal magnitude. Similarly, my friend here, the thing is both charges are again unequal. Both charges are unequal. So what happens? The neutral point is not located midway. The neutral point is not located midway. दो पॉजिटिव या दो नेगेटिव चार्ज के बीचों बीच न्यूट्रल पॉइंट आता है अगर दोनों चार्ज बराबर होते हैं. If both charges are equal, neutral point will always lie in the center or exactly midway between them. Exactly midway between them. Is that clear? But if both are not equal, you can very well find the neutral point by saying E1 will be equal to E2. Both electric field will cancel each other. Both electric field will cancel each other. Okay. अब मेरे भाई मुझे जल्दी से चैट में रिप्लाई करो कि यहां तक क्लियर हुआ या नहीं. जल्दी से रिप्लाई करो. आप लोग एकदम सुस्ती से बैठे रहते हो, जल्दी मुझे रिप्लाई चाहिए. इज एवरीबडी क्लियर अबाउट दिस? एवरीबडी इज क्लियर और नॉट? न्यूट्रल पॉइंट का कंसेप्ट तो अब अच्छे से क्लियर है. कूलाम्स लॉ में भी देखा इक्विलिब्रियम, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में भी इक्विलिब्रियम की बात की. तो जिस पॉइंट पे इक्विलिब्रियम एग्जिस्ट करता है, दैट इटसेल्फ इज द न्यूट्रल. दैट इटसेल्फ इज द न्यूट्रल. सो मूविंग ऑन. नाउ वी से इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक शील्डिंग. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक शील्डिंग. Electrostatic shielding, what does it mean? It means that protecting something from the influence of electric field. Electrostatic shielding is what? Protecting something फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। देखो कई बार क्या होता है, दीज इलेक्ट्रिक एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स में इंटरफेयर विद आवर डिवाइसेस, लेट मी टेक अ प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल, नीलम का क्वेश्चन इन प्रीवियस पेज, कैन न्यूट्रल पॉइंट लाई बिफोर Q1? नीलम बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं होगा। उसका रीजन देखो, Q1 से पहले बेटा Q1 की वजह से फील्ड आएगी अवे, द फील्ड ड्यू टू Q1 इज अवे, द फील्ड ड्यू टू Q2 इज ऑल्सो अवे, सो हेयर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैनॉट बी जीरो, अब एक प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल देता हूं, व्हेन आई टेक प्लस क्लासेस and sometime I keep my phone near the mic, then what happens is that mic gets interference, उस माइक में ना डिस्टर्बेंस सुनाई आता है सबको। सो व्हाई डज दैट हैपन? बिकॉज ऑफ दीज इलेक्ट्रिक एंड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, द सिग्नल्स दैट माई मोबाइल इज रिसीविंग, any device when it receives mobile signal, internet signal, everything that is in the form of electric and magnetic field. So that electric and magnetic field will interfere with the nearby devices. नीलम का क्वेश्चन है Q1 से पहले आ सकता है क्या? नीलम बिल्कुल आ सकता है, but that will depend on the magnitude of Q1 and Q2. If Q1 is smaller, it will lie to the left of Q1. If Q2 is smaller, it will lie near Q2. Near Q2 if Q2 is smaller, near Q1 if Q1 is smaller. Okay. So my friend, if you want to protect any instrument like your mic, like your laptop, like anything, then you can provide them electrostatic shielding, or you can say screening. So see the first figure. When electric field comes, see, force on a charge is QE, okay, QE. So if Q is negative, then force is opposite to E vector, ये मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुका हूं। Now see, when electric field is coming, it is attracting the negative charge, that is negative charge are moving opposite to the electric field. If electric field is to the right, negative charges are coming to the left, but positive charges are coming to the right. That means if this electric field is towards right, the negative charge is moving left, but if electric field is right, positive charge is moving right. So on the right surface you get the positive charge, on the left surface you get the negative charge. Now due to this positively charged sheet, the electric field is like this. Okay, पहले क्या हुआ, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आने से नेगेटिव चार्ज पे उल्टा फोर्स लगा, तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड राइट में आई, नेगेटिव चार्ज लेफ्ट में गया, लेकिन पॉजिटिव पे सेम डायरेक्शन में लगा, तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड राइट में आई, पॉजिटिव चार्ज भी राइट में गया, तो दोनों चार्जेस पे उल्टा उल्टा फोर्स लगा, एक चार्ज पे लेफ्ट तो एक पे राइट. नाउ दिस पॉजिटिव चार्ज इज क्रिएटिंग एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइक दिस. ओके, but now if you ground, then this positive charge flows into the ground, so by grounding metal plate, positive charge goes to ground and since there is no charge, electric field is zero here. Okay, electric field is zero here. Is that clear? So if you have kept anything, like suppose there is some instrument here, in the first case electric field will be able to reach that instrument, but in the second case this instrument is unaffected by the electric field. This instrument is unaffected by the electric field. Is this clear to everybody? Is this clear? Now let us move on to the more important topic, that is electric dipole. Let me explain you the basic. ये जो है ना इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस का पैटर्न हमेशा याद रखना, क्योंकि ये चीज इंजीनियरिंग में बहुत हेल्प करेगी. नाउ व्हाट इज अ इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल? लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. Very, very good definition. To equal and opposite charges separated by certain distance but bound together. What does this mean? Take an example of an atom. Suppose it is a hydrogen atom. Okay, suppose it is a hydrogen atom. And then we have a electron. Okay, now my friend, these two equal and opposite charges are separated by a certain distance. And both are the part of the same atom. None of the charge can move independent of the other charge. Are you getting the meaning of dipole? एक भी चार्ज आजादी से नहीं घूम सकता. जाएंगे कहीं भी तो दोनों जाएंगे और रहेंगे तो एक ही जगह रहेंगे. जस्ट लाइक ये समझ लो, दोनों में इतना प्यार है कि जिएंगे साथ मरेंगे साथ वाला काम हो रहा है. ठीक है, आइदर दे विल स्टे टुगेदर और इवन इफ दे मूव they will move also together. So they must be bound together. So my friend, we define a dipole moment here. We write it as P vector. What is this 2L vector? The direction of L vector is from negative to the positive charge. The direction of P vector, always remember, is from negative to the positive charge, and this is called as the dipole moment. यानी कि डाइपोल को ना उसके चार्जेस के टर्म में कभी शो नहीं करते. किसके टर्म में शो करते हैं? उसके डाइपोल मोमेंट की टर्म्स में. यानी ये मत बोलो कि एक डाइपोल में भैया 5 कूलम और -5 कूलम है और 1 मीटर पे रखा है. ऐसा नहीं. आप बताओ उसकी डाइपोल मोमेंट कितनी है. इज दैट क्लियर? द डाइपोल इज ऑलवेज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय अ डाइपोल मोमेंट एंड नॉट बाय द चार्ज एंड द डिस्टेंस. ठीक है, तो ये चीज याद रखना. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट सारी किताबों में ये गिवन है, टू इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट चार्ज separated by a distance is a dipole? No. Two equal and opposite charge separated by a distance and bound together. And bound together. That is a dipole. That is a dipole. Okay, my friends. So guys, if I summarize today's lecture, tomorrow we are going to complete this dipole. I have told you two things. Always remember the direction of electric field lines. Dipole we will try to complete tomorrow. Okay, so that this week by Wednesday we are done with the first module of electrostatics. Okay, my friends. So now, my friends, if any of you are interested in joining an academy, being a part of our revolution, then call this number. Call this number. Okay, and you have to download an Academy Learning app, because every Sunday is a Maha Sunday, is a special Sunday when we are conducting free classes the entire day. So download the Unacademy app. Free classes will be run on Unacademy Learning app, and if you are interested in joining us, then take this plan. For 1 year 25,000, for 2 year 30,000. But my friend, if you apply this code Ankit ESE, you immediately get 10% off and you get connected to me for personal guidance. So you get in 22,500 and 27,000. And you can pay by credit, debit card, EMI, net banking, and you can also pay by HDFC debit card EMI or Bajaj Finserv debit card EMI. But don't forget the code Ankit ESE. Ankit ESE. Okay. Now, these are some of the videos, guys, which have went very viral on this channel, and you can also watch it to understand how to do certain things when you are preparing for a competitive exam. Okay. And my friend, this is my Telegram channel, which you can join to get the PDF of each and every lecture. And this is my Unacademy profile, which you need to follow in order to attend all my free classes on Unacademy. And guys, this is the channel that we have for mechanical. Just like electrical, we have for mechanical, we have for civil, we have for CS. But at the same time, we have a common channel for SSC, in which we are covering electrical, mechanical, civil. We have a common channel for previous year questions, and many more such channels are coming very, very soon. So ask your other friends to subscribe to such channel. And on mechanical and civil channels as well, we are running foundation batch, so that you guys get acquainted with the mechanics that is required in the mechanical as well as the basic maths. So tell your friends who are from diploma background in mechanical and civil that they can attend the foundation batch on their respective channels. So that will be all from my side. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Thank you everybody. It was a great session. Thank you. Thank you.